Hope everyone's well, having a fantastic day, enjoying the sunshine. Gonna have a muffin today with some kerrygold and a couple of eggs, and that's it. Simple until the shopping turns up. So gas is on low. There's a pan, and there's some butter. Just gonna cook the eggs slowly. And what I'm gonna do, if I can find it, not there. Just melt the butter slowly. Just coating the bottom of the pan. Make sure your gas isn't too high because you burn the butter, and there's nothing worse than burnt butter, is there? Lovely. And a couple of eggs in there. Let's go in this pan. Or maybe the cooker. Maybe the cooker's moved a bit. Just cooking slowly. Don't rush these things. Let them just take their time. So what's people up to at the weekend then? What are your plans? Anything nice and exciting? Cooking anything? Did I do that? My wife was looking at me oddly because I was stabbing the muffin with a fork around the outside of it rather than cutting it. Oh, that'd be the cooker turned itself off. What's up with this cooker? Why does it keep turning itself off? Get him over there. I'll cook that in the butter. Probably could have done with a bit more butter in there. Or even a bit on the muffin maybe next time. But the kerrygold was frozen, so yeah, that won't happen. So I'll have to have a look at this cooker later, have a look on YouTube, see if there's something I'm not doing right, not pushing the button correctly. I doubt that very much. See if I can find the instruction manual and maybe have a look at that, because nobody uses them, do they? Unless you actually use them. Oh, do you know what? Forgot about that. Out comes the flamethrower. Gonna cook the eggs a new way. It's the first time using this for me on eggs, so yeah, a lesson has been learned. I should have stopped by now. I'm just overcooking them now. Boom, baby. What's that looking like? I know it's gone out. I can see that. That was my wife pointing out that the cooker had got out again. It's in there. Oh, not very well. Oh, but it's in there. Taste it. Right. It's done. Oh, eggs a little bit overcooked, but not overly cooked. Thanks to everyone who's liked, watched, subscribed, made a comment, shared the video, rung the bell. Just take the time out of the day to watch me trying to cook eggs. So, hope you enjoyed the video. Enjoy your day. See you later, people.